Okay, another finance iOS UI kit. Small I. What's that? We have a bunch of components, like too many icons, like nobody needs all these icons. Okay, definitely. I feel like there's some people that just download the same like kit and just customize it a little bit. Contrast issues, like it is disabled, enabled. Tururu. Interesting choice of icons. The UX, I think it's here, but the UI, I don't know why you'd need a scanner, for example. The UI definitely needs some work. The UX is not bad, and never mind. No auto layout, no nothing. Do not recommend this kit. It would just take too much rework unless you need some specific components that you are fine to redo. We're not even looking at that anymore.